Well, today I'm making roasted sweet potatoes with pineapple and pecans. Another great side dish for Thanksgiving or anytime. So let's get started on Darlene's Table. All right, we're going to start with 5 cups of sweet potatoes. Line your baking sheet with foil, and then 1 cup of pineapple. Okay, so what we're going to do first is a little oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, you know. And then some salt and pepper. And I'm going to mix this around, make sure everything is covered. Got some oil on it. Everything's got some seasoning and oil. All right, so now this is orange marmalade and maple syrup, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard. So what we're going to do here is, once the potatoes come out of the oven, this is going to go on top. This will go on after the potatoes have roasted. Okay, so we're going to set this over here for now. Okay, so we're going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes at 425. A lot of guns. And this is going to go back in the oven for 5 minutes. This is the maple syrup orange marmalade mixture I made earlier. And we're going to toss this well. I was so pleased with how this turned out. I love the flavors in this dish. Once you've mixed and coated everything well, this is ready to serve. If you are looking for a sweet potato recipe that is quick and easy and delicious, well, this one's it. Sweet, tangy, nutty, this recipe is a keeper. Sweet potatoes and chunks of pineapple with pecans. What a great combination. But the most difficult part is rounding up the ingredients. Once you've done that, you're 3/4 of the way there. I know you're going to love this. You can find the printable recipe on our new website, darlenestable.com. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.